See the blue disk utility, media servers, and it's the third one down right there. So what we do is we click on that, and then you select the movie you want. Takes a minute to load, and see, here's the basic menu. So what we'll do is I'll be right back with another video, and I'll show you how to edit a video. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, second, what you do before you start your video editing is depending on model, you have two or four USB ports, but newer ones only have two. And then what you do is you plug in your iPod or whatever camera you're using into the USB, and then you plug in the other end into this end goes into your camera or iPod, and then what you do is you upload the video like this. I'll show you. Now what you do is you go to create new video, and then here you select the add, and then it has images, and any blacked out images, it was before the new update, it won't work. It's only current updates like these bright ones lit up. So let's take 4th of July just for a demo, and see, this has already been edited anyway. And there you go. Then you get into the settings and all that, and you can edit it. I almost forgot something. Third step is what you do is go down from the video up editor thing, and then you go down to the USB, which will actually, Ian says storage media, it will say iPod or Sony webcam or whatever you have plugged into it. And then what you do is you hit triangle, and you select display all, and then it has all this information. But for iPod, it's O Apple and this and that. There's another video. It's the same as doing it on your PC. Just look for or that file somewhere else on my YouTube page. Alright, step 4 is coming up next. Okay, step 4, what you do is go to the video editor, hit X, and then create new video, X, and it adds to your list. Loads up, and you click X for add. And I made this little demo along with everything else, so I'll put this on here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you different things you can do. Now see, it's on a preview, and this is what it looks like. Oh, preview. See, this is the raw uncut video. Now go down here to continue, hit X, and here you have the uncut video, and then you have A/B erase where you can cut out parts that you don't want anymore. Text, you can add family reunion or whatever over the video. Playback speed, you can speed up and slow down the speed. And music, you can add preloaded music off your PlayStation. Okay, here's what we do now. I'll show you first things first, the A/B erase. I'll show you how this plays again. Okay, so here's what we do. Is I take this and hit that, and I'll backtrack and push it and see it's moving. And then I'll cut that out. And then I'll hit the, look, it will cut it, preview. And you say you want to delete it, yes. Now, the text. You hit X where you want it to start at the beginning. And let's just write a bunch of stuff, it doesn't matter. It's not like I'm keeping it. And see, you add a whole bunch of G's to the top. And you click now, edit, and see it will say text. You can, if you misspelled or whatever. Now you go to move, and you can move it around. See, make it big and small. It's with this, the right joystick. And you can move where you want to position it. And you use this, the left joystick. And then you go to that and you hit X and you can hit duration and see 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 52, whatever. You can go back to the edit again. And here's the best thing, you can go to style. You can have it straight or slanted. Or you can go to different styles, backgrounds, and here you have different colors and shit. Hit OK to keep that. And if you don't want it anymore, there's delete, but we'll keep it. So what we'll do, and then you hit circle to get out of here. And OK. Now we'll go over to playback speed. You hit X and it goes from A, and then you got B, and see you can stretch it to where you want it, and then you hit that, and see you can have it half slow or half fast. We'll make it slow, kind of make it creepy, I guess. And we'll hit OK. And next what we do, well, here we'll play it, preview it. Kinda sounds like chopped and screwed without all the chopping. Okay, so now what we do is we hit music. 5's a gangster beat. See, that's some Dr. Dre crazy sounding shit right there. So we add that in. And then you hit this and can preview it. Now what you do is go down here to continue and see what it says is upload. You click that and yada yada, terms and uses, hit OK. And now what you can do is you can directly internet download it to your YouTube or Facebook. Now we'll go back here, I'll show you something else. Or you can just hit save and have a little, then go down to OK, hit X, and see it starts saving it, but we don't want to save it, so we'll back out. And then we'll back out of all this.